Well, I'm always so impressed every time I visit Agape Senior. It's such a nice facility. The residents are always very happy. They're always active and doing lots of fun stuff. Talk to me a little bit about what is the new things that you guys have going on there, Matt.
Thank you. I'd love to. You know, we always try and be somebody that serves the community. You know, Agape came to the Horry County community about 7 years ago, and we always wanted to give back. And one of the new things that we're doing is we now have Agape Hospice Suites. So it's an inpatient unit for hospice patients. Horry County's been needing one for a long time, and there's been talks of one for several years now, but finally we have one now, and it's in Conway, and it's called Agape Hospice Suite. So we're excited to bring that to the community.
That's amazing. Absolutely. You know, like you said, this has been built up for a long time,
right.
and you guys have finally...
Much needed. It's
absolutely.
Much needed in this
That's
area.
wonderful.
Yeah.
Now, you guys have worked closely with the Conway Chamber for a long time. Talk to me a little bit about that relationship, the relationship that you have with us, and a little bit about the way that we help each other.
Certainly. One of the first things that we did when we came to this community was we kept hearing about the chamber, so we wanted to make sure that we were a part of this chamber. And you know, the Conway Chamber has been one of the best chambers that we've worked with throughout the state. You know, they do a fantastic business after hours for our Agape Hospice Suites. Mm-hmm. They'll do a ribbon cutting for us, and they really give back to the community. But at the same time, they also focus on those small business owners, you know, to be able to help with their business. And a lot of great stories that we have here in Conway, especially of people that the chamber's been able to help their business. So just a lot of great things that come out of this chamber. They're all over the place. They do a lot of fun events, and it's just a fun time.
Absolutely. Well, you guys are certainly involved with the chamber. You do your fair share of giving
Certainly.
back as well.
Certainly.
Thank you for all that you guys do,
Thank
and
you.
thank you for being here with us today,
Thank you.
Matt.
Good to be here.